Hi, today in our report we will talk to you about a natural disaster that is very devastating, the hurricane, and about one of the most powerful hurricanes of the United States history is Hurricane Andrew.
The hurricane is initially caused by the weather disturbance, tropical seas, and moderate winds. It created a tropical depression which is caused with water, thunderstorm, and circular movement. With speed of 62 km/h, it intensified and turned into a tropical storm with winds of 119 km/h, and finally in a hurricane. We classify hurricanes in 1 to 5 on the Saffir-Simpson scale.
Hurricanes form mainly in the equator, like Puerto Rico, Guadeloupe, Bahamas, and even Miami.
Andrew was formed on the west coast of Africa on August 14, 1992. It moved on the North Atlantic Ocean and hit the Bahamas, the south of Florida, Louisiana, and Mississippi, and ended on August 28, 1992.
There you can see the path of Hurricane Andrew. Now, Hurricane Andrew was caused initially by the concentration of thunderstorms activity, with moderate winds of 32 km/h. After this depression intensified into a tropical storm that you can see there. Finally, this storm transformed into a hurricane with winds of 130 km/h.
In Bahamas, Florida, and Mississippi, there is an average 3 hurricanes per year.
Hurricane Andrew caused an average $24 billion in damages. It was the most expensive natural disaster of the United States history. In the Bahamas, they had 200 millimeters of rain. And in Florida, the Andrew reached Category 5, the maximum scale of destruction. And then it became a tornado. The safety measures are to evacuate as fast as possible when a Category 5 hurricane, like Hurricane Andrew, and move away from the path of the storm. People can build shelters in their basement during big hurricanes and barricade their windows during small hurricanes.
The World Meteorological Organization and the Red Cross. This is the Red Cross, and this is the World Meteorological Organization. Put in place programs and research to forecast hurricanes, tropical storms, and tornadoes. They predicted that Andrew would hit those locations, so they put in place an evacuation to these regions.
So thank you for listening, and see you next week on another report on tornado.